GPT-5, the ultimate AI tool to make money in 2025. Welcome to AsadTech Edge, where we explore cutting-edge AI tools that can transform your life and business. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on the latest tech trends. Previously, we uploaded a video on best AI tools to make millions in 2025. Link is given in description, where we covered multiple AI tools with massive money-making potential. Now, it's time to take a deep dive into each tool, one by one. And today, we are starting with the most powerful AI model yet, GPT-5. I'll show you exactly how you can use GPT-5 to build a business, automate workflows, and even generate passive income. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also reveal how businesses are leveraging GPT-5 to scale faster than ever. Let's get started. Introduction: why GPT-5 is a game changer. AI is revolutionizing industries, and GPT-5 is at the forefront of this transformation. Imagine an AI so advanced that it can write code, create videos, design marketing strategies, and even automate entire businesses. That's what GPT-5 brings to the table. If you've been wondering how to make money with AI, this is your golden opportunity. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, GPT-5 offers multiple ways to generate income. In this video, I'll break down how you can use GPT-5 to create a business, automate workflows, and even generate passive income. Stick around till the end because we'll also discuss the future of AI-driven businesses and how you can stay ahead of the curve. What is GPT-5? GPT-5 is the latest AI model developed by OpenAI, and it's a massive upgrade over GPT-4. This model is smarter, faster, and more creative, making it the perfect tool for businesses and professionals looking to scale their operations. Here's what makes GPT-5 stand out: advanced understanding and contextual intelligence. It can generate more human-like responses and adapt better to different scenarios. Faster content creation, whether it's blog posts, ad copies, or entire books. GPT-5 can generate high-quality content in seconds. Multimodal capabilities, unlike GPT-4. GPT-5 can process and generate text, images, and even voice outputs, making it a game changer for automation. Improved coding and development features. Developers can use it to write and debug code faster than ever before. Now, let's talk about the most important part: how to make money with GPT-5. Best ways to make money with GPT-5. 1. Content creation and blogging. GPT-5 can generate entire blog posts, SEO articles, and even books in minutes. If you're a freelance writer or blogger, you can use GPT-5 to create high-quality content and sell it to clients or monetize it through Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. 2. AI-powered business automation. Companies are looking for ways to automate customer support, content creation, and social media management. With GPT-5, you can build AI chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated content systems to sell as a service. 3. Freelancing and digital services. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have a massive demand for AI-generated content, ad copies, email marketing campaigns, and scripts. GPT-5 can help you take on multiple clients and scale your freelancing business effortlessly. 4. YouTube automation and script writing. YouTube creators need engaging scripts for their videos. GPT-5 can generate viral video scripts in any niche, allowing you to start an AI-powered YouTube automation channel or sell scripts to content creators. 5. AI-generated courses and e-learning. With GPT-5's ability to generate course outlines, lesson plans, and educational content, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy and Teachable without spending months writing content. 6. Coding and AI development. If you're a programmer, GPT-5 can write and debug code, helping you develop apps, websites, and AI-based projects faster. Many businesses are willing to pay for AI-generated solutions, and you can tap into this market by offering AI-powered software development services. 7. E-commerce and AI marketing. GPT-5 can generate product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media ads in seconds. If you run an e-commerce store, you can use it to optimize product listings and increase sales. GPT-5 in action. Let's see how GPT-5 works in real time. Cut to screen recording. Here's an example of how GPT-5 can generate an entire blog post in seconds. This level of efficiency makes it one of the most powerful money-making tools in AI history. Similarly, here's how GPT-5 can write and debug code instantly, making it an invaluable asset for software developers and engineers.
The future of AI and GPT-5. AI is evolving faster than ever, and those who embrace it early will have a massive advantage. Businesses are already integrating GPT-5 into their marketing, customer service, and automation processes, and the demand for AI-driven solutions is only growing. In the coming years, AI-powered businesses will dominate every industry. Companies will rely on GPT-5 for automation, decision-making, and data analysis at an unprecedented scale. This means that if you start leveraging GPT-5 now, you'll be ahead of the competition when AI becomes even more essential in business. Whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur, or a small business owner, AI is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Those who learn how to use AI tools like GPT-5 effectively will gain a huge competitive advantage in making money and growing their businesses. GPT-5 is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in AI-powered money-making strategies. If you've been looking for ways to automate work, generate passive income, or start an AI-driven business, this is your opportunity. The earlier you start, the more benefits you'll reap. Which AI tool should we cover next? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to AsadTech Edge for more AI-powered money-making strategies. Share this video with friends who want to make money with AI. Stay ahead in the AI revolution. See you in the next video.